Friends, today we will discuss about the stimulated absorption. Stimulated absorption. You are knowing the energy state. One energy state E1. The second energy state E2 in this manner. The atom is in the ground state. The atom is in the ground state, energy state E1. If the photon of energy nu 1 2 is incident, then that is the atom in the ground state absorbs some amount of energy and it goes into the higher energy state E2. As it is in the ground state, after absorbing, it goes into the higher energy state E2. This is called as stimulated absorption. The photon is incident on it, it goes into the higher, it absorbs amount of energy and goes into the higher energy state. Again, we shall discuss about the next concept. Spontaneous emission. Spontaneous emission. The atom, it is in the higher energy state. The second energy state E1 and E2. Now, in case of spontaneous emission, the atom is in the higher energy state. It remains at this energy state for short time and comes to the ground state, emitting the photon, which is exactly identical with the incident photon. So this is the spontaneous emission. So on its accord, it is to be coming in the ground energy state. Therefore, it is called as a spontaneous emission. So see again, the atoms are in the higher energy state. It remains for short interval of time at the higher energy state, and then on its accord, it's come to the ground energy state, emitting the photon, which is exactly identical with the incident photon. This is called as a spontaneous emission. Now we shall discuss about what do we mean by stimulated emission. is in the higher energy state. About the stimulated emission, the atom is in the higher energy state E2. Now what we are doing, as it is in the higher energy state, we are inciding again one photon on this. And after inciding on this photon, as it is in the higher energy state, it is to be get stimulated and it comes into the ground energy state, emitting the photon. It is called as a stimulated emission. As we are forcibly stimulating it into the ground state, therefore it is called as a stimulated emission. See again, the atom is in the higher energy state. Now as it is in the higher energy state, we are inciding a photon on this. As it is in the higher energy state, it comes to the again ground energy state, emitting the photon, which is exactly identical to the incident photon. So this is nothing but it is a stimulated emission.